Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Rona Richelle Tariga, 34 years old, single, and I currently work as a cook at Bambunis Music and Grill located here in the Philippines. I used to work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years in the year 2017 up to the year 2019. I serve 3 members in the family. My Saudian Baba, my Egyptian Madam, and their 3 years old daughter. I do cleaning the house, washing and ironing their clothes, washing the dishes, car washing, cooking, and taking care of their 3 years old daughter as my main duty. Feeding her, playing with her, reading books, and singing her lullaby song during bedtime. Ma'am, Sir, please select me, and I promise that you will not regret on choosing me because I'm an hardworking person, honest, reliable, and a person that you can trust. I promise that I will finish my contract. I promise that I will always make my time flexible on the task that you're going to give me. I promise that I will love and take care of your children like my own little younger brother and sister. To my future employer, see you soon and good day. Thank you.